Hi there, this is Sam from Ghlsaaskits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create Upwork proposal by using artificial intelligence. Okay, so AI chat. Okay, so let me get started. It's pretty simple and easy way you can do this. Okay, so all we need to copy and paste the information from the Upwork job. Okay, proposal. Okay, so let me go back. Okay, so here is the software we are using to write the content. Okay, so let's get started. So we have two options. Okay, we can use the smart editor or we can use the template. Okay, so in this example I'm going to use a smart editor because if we need any other changes, then we can easily make this by using this smart editor. Okay, so I'll search Upwork. Okay, here is the option Upwork job proposal. So we need to put the information. Let me put my name Sam, then the software. Okay, so in this job, client are looking for someone who is expert in Shopify dropshipping, right? So I will put the name Shopify. Okay, and I'll put the name here, and I'll put the portfolio link. It's optional. If you don't have portfolio link, then you can ignore it. Okay, so let me ignore this. Okay, and then I will just copy this requirement. Okay, the client requirement, everything from top to bottom, and then I will put it here. Okay, that's it. So if you have the portfolio link, then you can put your portfolio link here, otherwise you can skip that part. Okay, so after that, if you like to change the writing tone, okay, you can do that, but I will keep professional and creativity is original. So I will create generate here. Okay, just click this button, and within a few seconds it will give you a proposal. Okay, the perfect proposal that you need to put on your Upwork job bid. Okay, so just wait a moment. Yeah, that's it. So now you can see here, hi Patrick. Okay, that's fine. This is the client name. Okay, so Patrick, so it's perfectly catch the name. So I hope this message finds you well. I came across your job posting and I believe I would be a perfect fit for the role of a Shopify dropshipping expert. That's perfect, right? So with over 10 years of experience in the industry, I have worked extensively with Gem pages and have a deep understanding of how to create high converting product page and store. Okay, so let me check the client requirement. Okay, we are looking for a Shopify dropshipping expert. Okay, that's it. And who is an expert in creating product page and stores. We are an agency that creates stores for clients. Okay, then you should be an expert in Gem pages. Okay, so client also mentioned this, and our proposal, we also have this. I have worked extensively with Gem pages and I have a deep understanding of how to create high converting product page and store. That's good. You can check my portfolio. Okay, here is the portfolio link. If you don't have portfolio, then just delete this part. Otherwise, you just need to put your portfolio link here, and then here is how it will help the client. Okay, so I can work with you to create visually appealing and user friendly product page, optimize your store, implement effective marketing strategies, provide ongoing support and other general tasks. Okay, and also it's asking for a Zoom call. Okay, and then it's your name. As I said, my name, I put Sam, right? So this is a perfect job proposal for Upwork job. All you just need to replace your portfolio link if you have, otherwise delete this and then copy the enter. Let me just delete this part. Okay, and then all you just need to copy and paste. Okay, copy, click apply, and then paste into the option. Let me show you just in a moment. Well, on submit proposal page, select your profile, and then by project, that's fine. The duration, you can select the duration. Okay, like less than 1 month. Okay, and if you like to change the bid, then you can do that, and after that put your job proposal here, and then please list 3 best landing pages. Okay, so you just need to put the example, client asking the example. Okay, so our goal is to make a high converting job proposal. That is what we did by using the artificial intelligence. Okay, and then you will put your landing page links, for example, that you already built with gem page for your clients. Okay, just put it, and then all you just need to submit your proposal. Okay, so that's easy it is. So it will work with any requirement. Okay, you just need to copy the client requirement and paste it here. Okay, and the software will handle everything, because we already have a prompt that actually fit with any type of services, any type of work client asking for their project. Okay, so I hope you get the idea how you can create this type of professional job proposal for your Upwork. Okay, Upwork job bid. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, then feel free to subscribe our channel. Okay, and you can get this software by going to ai.ghlsaaskits.com. Okay, so here is the link. You will also get the link into the video description. Okay, here is the software you can get. And beside this, this software is just not for the Upwork job proposal writing. It has a tons of different template already, especially for funnel. You can see here for funnel script, it has a lot of different funnel a copywriting template. Okay, so all you just need to put your information, and it will completely write your landing pages content. Okay, and it also has email, e-commerce, okay, content, and lots of other things. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.